Ever dreamed of ditching your traditional bank for a sleek app that lets you manage your money, invest, and even trade crypto all in one place? That's the promise of Vivid Money, a new player in the fintech world. But with so many options out there, can you trust Vivid with your hard-earned cash? Let's dive deep and find out if Vivid Money is legit or just a hyped-up fantasy. Breaking down the basics. Vivid Money positions itself as an all-in-one financial platform. They offer a free standard account with a debit card, budgeting tools, and the ability to hold multiple currencies. But the real kicker is their integration with investing. You can buy stocks, ETFs, and even some cryptocurrencies directly through the app. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But before you jump in, there are a few things to consider. Is Vivid Money actually legit? Here's the good news: Vivid Money is a legitimate company. They're authorized and regulated by financial authorities in Luxembourg and the Netherlands, depending on the specific service offered. This means they have to follow certain rules to protect your money. So, why the question mark? While legitimacy is a plus, it doesn't guarantee a perfect experience. Here are some potential drawbacks to keep in mind. New kid on the block. Compared to established financial institutions, Vivid Money is a young company. This can sometimes mean a lack of experience handling complex situations or unforeseen issues. Behind the scenes, while Vivid offers its own services, some core functionalities rely on partner companies. For example, Solaris Bank provides the banking infrastructure, which might impact certain features or customer support experiences. Fees and fine print. Free accounts often come with limitations. Vivid's free tier might not have all the bells and whistles you need. Upgrading to premium plans unlocks benefits but adds fees. Always read the fine print before committing. Investment considerations. Vivid Money allows trading, but it's not a full-fledged brokerage. Their investment options might be limited compared to dedicated platforms. Research and understand the risks before putting your money in stocks, ETFs, or crypto. User reviews, a mixed bag. Online reviews can be a double-edged sword, but they offer valuable insights. Some users rave about Vivid Money's user-friendly interface and innovative features. However, others have encountered issues with customer support, account restrictions, or unexpected fees. The verdict: legit, but do your research. Vivid Money is a legitimate financial platform with some exciting features. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Before you jump in, consider your needs, research alternative options, and understand the potential limitations. Here are some key takeaways. Do your research, read reviews, compare features with other platforms, and assess the fees. Start small. If you're new to investing, start with a small amount on Vivid Money to get comfortable. Consider your needs. Are you primarily looking for a bank account, a budgeting tool, or an investment platform? Alternatives exist. Explore established banks, dedicated investment platforms, or other fintech options. Remember, your financial well-being is paramount. Don't be swayed by hype or promises of instant financial freedom. Take your time, research thoroughly, and choose a platform that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.